Have you come across the terms realized profit and unrealized profit and don't know what that exactly means? Then let me explain. Realized profit is a profit that an individual has actually received in cash. Let's understand with an example. Suppose Mr. Bond bought stocks worth 1,000 rupees and sold them for rupees 1,500. The profit of rupees 500 that Mr. Bond made after selling those stocks is called realized profit because it is the money in Mr. Bond's pocket. Now, unrealized profit is slightly different because an individual might have earned the profit, but it's still on paper. Confused? Let me simplify. So, let us say Mr. Bond still owns those stocks bought at 1,000 rupees. And right now, they are worth rupees 1,500 in the market. That 500 rupee difference between what you paid and current worth of stocks is unrealized profit because you haven't sold those stocks yet. When you earn the realized profit, it is shown in the realized column of your P&L account. Net P&L is your realized profit or loss minus the charges, that is brokerage, STT, GST, etc. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and/or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.